Right, so now this is 6 weeks. Is it 6 weeks?
6 weeks.
6 weeks following a 3-level cervical operation, 3-level disc replacement, which is here, and this is looking up, and then this one is looking down, and the disc replacement is working very nicely. So let's see you first of all, arms right up above your head, both. Good. Any pain? No. And then down, and then looking down like this. Good. And then looking up. Wow, perfect. And then sideways. This is much better than it used to be before.
Yeah.
And then this way and the other way. That's great. What more can we expect?